Welcome to Megatech Dynamics. Today you'll witness unbelievable factory machines operating at the next level. From powerful heavy-duty equipment to smart automation systems, these engineering marvels will leave you amazed. Let's dive right into the action. Watch the rails transform. Heavy steel, flying stones, and pure teamwork. This is railway power in action. The robot arm moves with precision, lifting, turning, placing. One by one, heavy water jugs fall perfectly into line. Golden rice enters the mill. Husks are stripped away, and pure white grains emerge, ready to nourish the world. Wire twists, locking together, forming a cable built to carry tons. Precision rollers bend, press, and shape, turning raw metal into strength. Molten plastic is pressed into molds, instantly forming perfect cups, ready for packaging and daily use. Layer by layer, the raw block transforms into strength, into beauty, into marble. High-tech precision in motion. Water and foam sweep across every surface, leaving the car spotless, shining like new.
transforming rough floors into a perfect polished finish.
Removing excess soil and debris, leaving the road clean and level. High-pressure spray covers the wall. Bricks disappear under smooth cement. Tobacco fills the machine, and cigarettes roll out. Wine bottles receive their final touch, dipped into hot wax, creating a secure seal and an elegant finish. Steel wire bends and twists, forming perfect springs. Seedlings are placed into the machine, automatically dropped into the soil. Rows of plants take shape with precision and speed. Heated molds shape the material, creating perfect car mats. This air-powered lifter makes moving heavy sacks effortless. Machine cuts perfect threads onto bolts with precision. A high-speed machine winds PTFE tape rolls with precision, ready for plumbing use. This machine quickly removes husks from corn, making harvesting faster and easier. A laser tool is used to perfectly align and attach the car emblem on the car's body. That's the power of next-level technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Megatech Dynamics for more incredible content. See you in the next one.